there, there. Why do they sound the same but mean totally different things? Hey friends, I'm your favorite English teacher. And today we're fixing one of the most annoying problems in English. Homophones, words that sound the same but mean different things. Let's untangle this word mess together. There, possessive, something belongs to them. Their dog is very cute. The dog belongs to them. There, place or to introduce something. The book is over there. It shows a location. There are many stars in the sky. Used to start a sentence. There, they are. They're happy. They are happy. Easy tip, try replacing there with they are. If it works, it's correct. Let's make it fun. They're going to visit their grandma over there. One sentence, 3 homophones. Let's break it down. There equals they are going. There equals it's their grandma. There equals the place she lives. Perfect sentence. Common mistake. They're going to see their grandma over there. Which means nothing at all. Quick quiz. They're going to the park. I love their new house. The keys are over there. Great job. Homophones are tricky, but with practice, you'll master them. Here's the secret. They sound the same, but they don't mean the same. Leave a comment using all 3 in one sentence. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on My Favorite English Teacher. Bye bye.